Demonstrators are still gathering outside the court tonight. Hundreds of people there protesting against the landmark decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. Most of the pro-life demonstrators who were certainly there in the beginning have now left. President Biden has called for protests to remain peaceful. Still, the Capitol Police are taking no chances. They erected this 8-foot fence ahead of the landmark ruling to keep people out of the Supreme Court Plaza. The Capitol Police also boosting security at the Capitol ahead of any possibility of unrest. CNBC's Shamari Stone continues our coverage outside the court. Shamari, emotions certainly running high.
Indeed, Shep. Emotions are very high. A lot of people cried this morning when that ruling came down. Right now, D.C. Police, U.S. Capitol Police, their federal law enforcement partners are on high alert. Just move right over here, Shep. You can see these are U.S. Capitol Police officers keeping a close eye on the crowd. So far, these crowds have been very peaceful. The majority of the people out here are supporters of abortion rights. Some cried when the Supreme Court announced the decision overturning Roe v. Wade. There are also small groups of abortion rights opponents out here, but they are vastly outnumbered. U.S. Capitol Police tell us protesters are allowed to peacefully demonstrate on the outside of the 8-foot unscalable fence as long as they follow officers' directions. Now, some people told me they flew to D.C. from cities around the nation when the Supreme Court announced it would release decisions today.
All I know is that every child deserves life. Human rights start at conception and end at natural death, and that is what I'm going to fight for till the day that I die.
It's not just about abortion. It's about attacking our right to privacy, and that includes same-sex marriage. And I just thought about my sister and my mom, who's had abortions in the past too, and I fear for the young generation that's not going to have the choices that we're entitled to.
Now, police officers in Montgomery County, Maryland, and Fairfax County, Virginia, where Supreme Court justices live, are on high alert as well. There have not been any issues whatsoever, but the justices and their families have 24-hour security.